me and E, I have a very hoarse throat, as you can see. But I have my sister, Eden, and we are making a cake.
Show me what you got, babe.
In honor of Mom. It's her birthday tomorrow. And we have the 11th. And we have a book that's batter for her birthday.
Yeah.
We have blue coffee and some fun sprinkles. But since we can't do this on our own, we will need Daddy-O to come on over. So
What's up? What's up?
We have a mixer as well.
So,
We're
Eden,
going to need a mixer.
what is your favorite color?
Blue.
What is Mama's favorite color?
Blue.
What's Daddy's favorite color?
Blue.
What's Ella's favorite color?
Blue.
So, what kind of icing do we have? You can show them. Yeah, it's actually none of our favorite colors but Mom. All right, here we go. Read the back. Let's read the back. What do we need to turn the oven on to? All right, this is your bowl.
For dark coated pans?
Yeah.
Okay. If you are doing a dark coated pan, you will need to preheat your oven for 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you have metal and glass, metal or glass, you're going to need to do 350. Oh, we do not have that.
So,
ingredients. You will need 1 cup of water.
First of all, let's put some sugar in there, okay? We got a little sugar on your hiney in there, sugar on your hiney in there, sugar on the daddy hiney. Put it on in there. Now it's really nice and sweet. Okay.
I love that.
Let's test this. Let's test this out. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, it works. Okay.
What happens if I touch it? We will not find out. Okay.
1 cup of water.
Okay.
1 cup of water.
Let's open the box and she needs to dump in the ingredients. We need 1 cup of water.
Hand me the scissors.
1 cup of waters.
Scissors.
Check.
Scissors. Count up. That's enough.
All right. What else do we? Oh, you're still getting the box.
3 eggs.
Oh.
3 large eggs.
I need. But the problem with the eggs are you got to have a good cracker.
Do we have a good
Yeah. We got a good cracker here.
I'm good at this. Okay. I need this. Okay, I'm not done. Pull the box. Oh,
All right. Got it.
We have enough for 2.
Okay. Here you go, little ma'am.
So we can weigh them.
All right.
We don't have to crack the eggs yet.
Yep. It's ready.
What? Okay.
I'll put the shells back in here. Egg crack in there. No shells.
Here is this. You can pour it in again. I didn't open it all the way. Open it. That's it. I got shells.
You got some shells in there?
Yeah.
Let's get them, get them, get them.
Then it's shark food.
Okay.
Shark
Where?
food.
Whoa. That's a big one. That would be bad in a cake.
Ew.
Got it.
You ready?
It's got it.
You can pour
Let's
the
go.
butter in now.
Oh, hold on. So when you do this, so what happens is you pour the batter that's stuck over here on this side. So what you want to do is you want to cut all the way home and give it to Miss E.
Don't.
You got it?
And you gotta do this. Gotta do this. Pull it apart over and over. This is cake batter.
And then we'll eat it now.
No, you don't eat that. Ew.
That is
That
nasty.
disgusting.
Don't ever do that.
Don't eat that.
All
By the
right. I
way,
need some eggs. Get to cracking.
we are using Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Classic Yellow Cake Mix,
pour
and
it in.
this is what the box looks
Pour
like.
it in.
We
Nice. Pour it all in.
got it from Walmart. You can find it pretty much anywhere at Walmart.
Okay, Ellen. Waters. We need 2 more eggs, baby girl. Let's see.
Pour the
1/3
water
cup
in.
of oil.
More eggs. 1
need
cup
2.
of water, 3
Make
large
sure you
eggs,
put it in the little bowl
and
first.
1/3 cup of oil. That is the first things you will need, and you will need to put in the fluffy, magical dust. Yeah. fluffy dust. That's what I call it. Oh, this one's not a chicken. What? A chicken.
There you go.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a chicken.
Oh, and a shell just
And
fell
then
in.
eating
So there
it.
seems to be 100 shells. Let's get them out.
We're using vegetable oil, just,
All right.
great value.
That's what it says on there, right?
Yummy.
All right, pour the 2 eggs in, Boo Boo.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just using this oil.
All right.
Normal eggs you can
Okay.
get.
Excuse me, Ella.
We got all this. Oh, we already have the oil, but
Dripping it on Eden's head.
I'm
joking.
Like, is it on my head?
I'm joking.
You can use a mixer or hand mix it or both.
Okay.
Which is what we do.
So we put it on here.
And
Now, fast speed, slow speed, what's the timer say?
okay.
So that's down. Put that down
Beat
for 2 minutes. On what? Medium speed.
So you will need to do medium speed for 2 minutes.
Timer, 2 minutes.
Then no.
Then what happens after that?
We get frosting.
All right.
Pour better.
Cake in a large bowl at low speed for 30 seconds. Then 2 minutes, medium speed.
Well, it's a beat. And so like,
Well, we're beating it now.
we can,
I want
And
to
then-
dive in there and take a bath in that.
it smells heavenly. Let's go get Mom.
No,
it's a surprise. No, I want to get her.
Jinx. You can get her, we're just joking. I'm joking, you man.
It's a surprise. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it so bad.
And crank it up a little bit. Crank it up.
Well, I can't see
Crank
it.
it.
I can't see it.
Put your hand back there and just go one way.
Which direction?
Go that way.
Mommy, she said yes. She said yes.
Crank it.
I don't want
We cranked it.
to.
There we go. All
I
right.
didn't want to do that.
We need to get the baking sheets.
Yeah, that's what I didn't want to do. So don't go. Okay. Make sure you have bacon seeds. Where's the plan? Ah! I'm falling backwards. Okay. Don't fall backwards.
All right.
We got the palms. Hey, Dad.
Yes.
Is this medium seed slow down a little?
Okay. Let's do the butters. Here's what I'm thinking. No flour. Yes, I want to try no flour on the bottom of the cake pan. I want to try theory.
Why is that a lot? I call it the bacon stick. I call it the bacon stick. You have a phone. A bacon stick? You call it who is a bacon stick? It's a girl. It just rocks around and put some stuff in the cake to make it good. What are you talking about?
I love what you talking about. All right.
Don't drink that.
All right, let's turn it off.
Okay, the opposite direction you told me to.
Okay. Now tilt it up. Gotta let it drip.
Oh, that's heavy a bit. What? Daddy, we eat some of that?
You absolutely cannot ever eat it unless I say so.
Okay.
So give it 1 minute.
No, nice.
Hold on. Just wait.
Bad tongue. Bad tongue. Bad tongue. Bad
Let it drip first. Let it drip.
No, nose, yes. Tongue, no. No licking. Oh, it smells super good. It smells super good. I know it smells so good. Don't eat that. No.
So now what we do is we take our handy dandy spatula,
Yes. See, you
not
got it.
called a
When
batula.
I was little, I always called it a... She just put it in her mouth.
and you do not lick the tools.
She ate it.
So never lick the tool, okay?
No.
Never do this. Don't ever do that at home.
No.
Okay.
You're gonna have to wash it. You don't want it the extra labor.
So we gotta get all this out.
Oh. There's still flour?
So that would have stunk.
Magical dust.
Okay. Don't lick this thing.
Ugh. It's full of flour.
Yeah, that didn't.
That's not good.
That did not go well. All right, use your fingers and get it. Lick off of that. Use your finger. It's good now. It's terrible.
This is so gross. This is so gross.
Don't worry, you at home. You wouldn't like it. It's just cake batter dripping off. All right, we got 2 pans.
Hey, Daddy, go.
Just spit ice in there.
Ew.
2 pans,
Where's
greased up,
Ah!
ready to rock. All right.
I'm getting it back. Hey, Dad.
Yes.
She's looking at your thing.
Well, you know it's good when the outside of the bowl is getting licked. This is getting, we just turned this up. You're on the counter now. You went from floor to counter for this. All right. Put it back. We're cooking. All right.
I cook. I don't cook with scissors. No.
All right, you're where the honey, where the cake is. Get down. All right, stay right there. Thank you.
I found corn.
All right. No touchy
That's
touchy.
butter.
Now you can grab the handle.
That's butter. There's butter on that.
All right, here we go. Here it is, everybody. Nice and smooth. Here we go.
Yeah, totally smooth. There's little bumps in it. I'm gonna lick that. I wanna just pour it in my mouth and but it has raw egg in it.
Okay, on your finger. Sorry.
But it has raw egg in it, so don't do that.
Yep. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour it on Ella and Eden's head.
That's
Sorry.
really high, Dad.
Sorry.
Are you sure about that?
Nope.
Last time you did this overhead really high, you spilled it everywhere. I remember one time you did that with something. I don't remember what. But you got it everywhere. Oh, it's your fault, Dad.
What?
Yeah, it was your fault the train burst. Okay.
Oh,
And it was your fault the batter is dripping everywhere.
All right, hold on.
There's extra. Eden, this is what you do.
So go ahead and start smacking it on the table.
Really hard. Don't do this at home. It's jump right. Do it at home.
Don't worry, we're semi-professionals. All right, that's enough?
Listen to everything.
That's enough. Let's put some right there. Hold on 1 second. My lady.
Get me more over and
Where did you need some? On here on this side?
I'll go get Mommy.
Put some on this side. Give you a little bit more, kiddo.
Are you ready?
Yes, are you ready for your unbaked cake? Okay, now try it. allow your daddy to lick this without you? Oh, you got a good one. Oh, show everybody at home. Here you go. Take turns. Eden. You use that, Ella. Eden. Have some in a bowl.
Hi.
Whoa.
We're doing the dishes for you.
I heard somebody might need some supervising.
Hey, Mommy. We're doing the dishes for you. Happy birthday! This is delicious. But tomorrow. Not today.
Happy New Year. Okay.
Okay, girl.
They're ready.
Oh, not on your shoulder.
Hey. What's the timer say?
I don't know.
All right.
Is it delicious?
Tell her goodbye.
No.
Me, Dad.
No! What about Mama?
Luckily, that was
Not
a trick. You gotta come get something, girl.
My finger is ready. At least I have this. There's none of it.
All right.
No!
I did not look at it for how long.
You have a
Why are you throwing it away? We need that.
Let's get your wife first.
You just throw away the guy. It's sticky. You go wash me.
All right. Come back for the decorations.